Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy tomato soup. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, a medium onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. We'll also use 4 cups of vegetable broth, a touch of olive oil, and some basic seasonings. This method ensures a rich flavor with minimal effort, perfect for a quick, comforting meal. Now, let's get cooking. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot. Sauté your chopped onion and minced garlic until fragrant, about 3 minutes. Then, add the quartered tomatoes and cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Pour in the vegetable broth, bring it to a gentle simmer, and let it cook for about 20 minutes until the tomatoes are very soft. Once the tomatoes are tender, carefully transfer the mixture to a blender and blend until completely smooth. For an extra silky texture, you can strain the soup through a fine mesh sieve. Return the smooth soup to the pot. Now is the time to stir in 1/4 cup of heavy cream for richness or a dairy-free alternative, and season with salt and pepper to taste. Your delicious, easy tomato soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and garnish with fresh basil leaves or some crunchy croutons. This comforting soup pairs wonderfully with a classic grilled cheese sandwich. It's a simple yet satisfying meal, perfect for a cozy evening, and even a busy star like Kartik Aaryan would appreciate its homemade goodness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.